The Elitech HLD-200 refrigerant leak detector adopts a corona refrigerant sensor which has great sensitivity and excellent repeatability. The product comes with a leak detector, 2 AA batteries, a replacement sensor tip, a protective cover, a portable case, and a user manual. Turn on the detector. It takes no more than 10 seconds to warm up and beep. The detector has 7 adjustable sensitivities. You can adjust the sensitivity to your needs. When a leak is detected, a siren will sound, with the rate quite different from the previous beep sound. The indicator lights will also flash increasingly. You can reset the background halogen level to 0. Any leak sources higher than this will be considered a leak and trigger the alarm. Check the battery level in the standby mode with the battery indicator light. Orange means the batteries are getting weak. Red means the batteries need to be replaced before normal detecting can resume. Leaking areas are usually covered with contaminants such as compressor oil or dirt, so be careful not to let the sensor tip come in contact with these contaminants. Keep the sensor tip away from any moisture or other solvents to avoid false alarms. The cover can protect the detector and make it more portable.